Welcome to part 2 of restoring on IBM XT. This time we will quickly test the motherboard that everything is okay. I have it already plugged in with some random power supply I had laying around. So that's plugged in there. Important that the black wires are in the middle, otherwise hell will break loose. We have a keyboard attached, some Hercules display adapter clone, and a speaker, and of course a black and white display connected to the display card. So let's see what happens. Monitor on and power on. Seems to work okay so far. It's checking the memory in 16 kilobyte blocks, going slowly through the 640 kilobytes. At least memory is okay. And this error means that it can't find a floppy drive, and no surprises there. I haven't even had to have a controller plugged in, so obviously it won't find anything to boot from. So let's resume. And now, as it's an original IBM, it will boot into BASIC. In the next part, I will try to get it to boot from an actual floppy disk to DOS. And yes, here I already have the floppy disk controller plugged in with some test drives. If you like this video, please click below, and why not also subscribe to my channel. Thank you!